May 1932, 18 boys, 12 girls and some adults left on the adventure of a lifetime. Their destination was Davos, Switzerland, and in particular this chateau belonging to Christian Kunzel.
Christian Kunzel made chocolates and high-class confectionery. Well, the chocolate factory has long since melted into history, but Davos lives on as the venue for the World Economic Forum. For thousands of people, Davos will always be associated with coughing, wheezing, sneezing and fresh air. Well, why so? Well, Kunzel used his chateau with a gâteau to accommodate children from the inner city, sons and daughters of his workers who suffered from asthma and bronchitis, giving them the chance to recuperate in the fresh air of Switzerland. It was an extremely popular scheme and thousands of children took advantage of it, going abroad in the 1930s and 50s in particular, many doing so for the very first time in their lives.
After staying here for up to 6 months sometime, it was time to go back to Birmingham. Some children didn't really want to, they wanted to stay.
I can't understand why.